Hello again, everybody. I want to show you a video so you know what to do if you need to email your link to your class out to your kids in your class. So you log into your Skyward and you're going to have this screen, right? You're going to go to Teacher Access, go to your gradebook, and go to the section that you're looking at. So you need to get in this screen right here for your individual class that you're going to send the link to. Up here in the corner, you're going to have something called Other Access. Right here. The second one down is the Message Center. When you get the Message Center, you're going to have a lot of messages that have happened in the past, maybe. But what you want to do is say Add Message for current class. You'll type the message summary like link to second hour biology. And what you do is when you cut and paste that URL you did before for Zoom, you're going to place it in that purple box right here. What you could do is then it automatically posts to their student access login. But what you should try to do is click this box to send an email to your students. You could set the time and the date you want to send it out. And then you just hit save. And when you hit save, which of course I didn't write anything, then it'll send it out on the time you tell it to send out. Hopefully that is helpful for you to go ahead and send your links to your particular classes. Again, it's in Skyward in your gradebook, and the Other Access button is located in the upper left-hand corner. Let me know if you need anything else. Take care.